Hello networkers, and in this quick video I want to give several updates of what has been going on. So the past couple of months have been extremely busy with consulting projects, training projects, and personal projects. And one of the particular changes that's been going on is the new website, getting that all rolled out, and I posted a video about that, so check that out. And we just posted another video about voting for training content and courses going into 2020. Now, your feedback is important because that's what we will consider for most of the training packages, but the training will also include new training, trends that network engineers need to know about and to learn. So your feedback and what's the trends is our focus, our continued focus going into 2020. One of the great things about the new website is that it will allow us to add quizzes or exams, and completing a course, you will get a course completion certificate. Yes, we're very excited about that. That has been a big suggestion for a long time, and the very first course that's going to have a exam and a course completion certificate is our network programmability for network engineers. Very exciting, so check that out. Furthermore, we have an Instagram account. This is a project that my daughter and I have been working on since she's really involved in the Instagram world. So hey, we're out there, so go ahead and check us out, follow us there. I post various pictures of networking products, just things going on in the networking world that I find interesting, and I will be posting discounts, 1-day or 2-day discount codes on the Instagram page, so check that out and follow us there. As I mentioned earlier, that things have been busy with consulting and projects and personal, and on the personal side, I posted a video about that, but I officially completed my 50-mile race. That was my goal for 2019. It was a very, very hard thing. The hardest thing I ever did. Overlapping the ccie that I did in 2001. It was a very personal journey for me. It was a very emotional journey for me. I cried at the end, but it was something that really shows that if you really want something, you got to go for it. Okay, and the other thing I want to talk about is the YouTube channel. Yes, I know there's a lot of questions that people will probably have been posting and not really getting a lot of different responses. So there's a lot of issues and problems that I'm experiencing with YouTube on the back end. It's not very organized. I can't really go through the questions the way that I would like to go through in the most efficient way possible. So there are a lot of problems. I'm thinking of just deleting everything in terms of some of the pending comments or things that are going on, and starting something different of how you can post your questions on a single web page. Something simple for me to look at, and you voting on which questions I should be posting in episode 4. I will continue to do off-topic episodes because I do see the value of telling you what's going on out there. What are the trends? What are things that you should be aware of? But I also want to continue with your questions that you may have. So I'm working out different details, and I'm hoping to have another video of talking about this issue soon. But there are several other episodes that are already recorded that I'll be releasing soon, and planned episodes that I will be recording. And some of that will include struggles to gain networking experience, part 2. So that will be a video coming out shortly. Another one is with career advice and study tips. So that's already recorded. And another episode on SDN and cloud career considerations to keep in mind. That was one of your questions that was asked. And I'm also planning on recording other episodes, which are already in my works. And one that will include programming trends, kind of having more of a conversation about that, because that is very important for the network engineer for tomorrow, not for today. Or today, a little bit, I guess. Another episode is about the future outlook of careers for network engineers and automation. Jobs today are different, and in the future they'll be much different. So I want to talk more about that. And I also want to do a particular episode, which has been in the works for a long time, but delayed on my part because I have a lot of strong opinions about it, which is the big question, the big problem in our community, which is the exam dumps, exam questions. So we'll talk about that in a different episode as well. Ooh, nasty. And that is it. I just want to provide a quick update of what has been going on. I have been very busy in all aspects of my life, work, and personal life. And there'll be more information soon about the YouTube channel and what's going on with that, and hopefully what is the next steps and plans for how you can post your questions for me to answer for Ask the Network Engineer. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. You can support us at Patreon or on our training website at routehub.net. Also follow us at instagram.com. That's a new account that we have, so check that out. And until next time, as always, keep networking.